And welcome back to Flexible Games, where we are covering Automation Empire. Okay, we have gold over here ready to be used by some grabby hands, and we have no space with which to do the grabby hands over here. We're pretty much maxed. I mean, we've got lots and lots of coal processing. It looks like, yeah, without this coal processing, this line here, these two can't operate. But that's fine. I'm okay with that for now. So, do we want? Oh, I think we might want another one of these. Do we want this close? Or do we want it? Why can't I build here? Oh, I have to. Ooh. Okay, how about we do this and this. We add. That's not going to work there. If we add one here and here, that pretty much maxes us out. We could maybe, no, we might be able to do this. Let's see if we can't squeeze one in right here. Good. None and gold, please. None here, none here for now. I would like to get some grabby hands here, and first things first, right there. And maybe right here. This is going to be kind of gnarly. We're going to go straight across. Ooh, yeah. That's going to be a problem. Pause, please, while I figure this out. The best place to bring in grabby hands, I mean, right here would be perfect. So let's bring the unload stations right to there. That's right in line. Oh, not necessarily in line. Trying to match this up with where we have to put the doors. I mean, right there would work, and right there. So let's take you and you out. And then we need to, fortunately, dip underneath this. So we're just gonna, they do run faster when they're elevated, which is what I was going for, but we're gonna need another set of grabby hands in here somewhere. Ideally, we would have another set. Let's think this through here. We're gonna have another set right here. Let's go this line here. Unfortunately, we're gonna have to destroy some of this stuff. Because we're going to want a set coming in here and grabbing right about here. Quite a lot. Okay, now, like something like that. And then this set of grabby hands is going to be right there. Swing it out and bring it back for a full circle. I think can we squeeze it in right there? Because I want to hook this one up over there. I went a little too far with that. Right there. And then have it return right there. Okay, so that's one set. We can add all of those. We want a pickup spot right there. And we're going to have another pickup spot right here with another set of grabby hands right here. Like so. Okay. Now we need to fix our track. Let's try to make that as much, as much as possible, like that. Okay. Unpause. First set of grabby hands coming in. Now, right now, I'm pretty much loading all of this. What I could do... Could supplement both of those. Right now, I'm not skipping any. It's pulling in as much as possible. Try to get as much gold as possible so we can research. Right now they're almost full. Look at that, 100,000, and they're not even full yet. Which, if we look at this, we're not quite there yet. So it'll be a ways. It'll be a while. Oh, look at that. We actually filled that truck. Beautiful. And we can fill that. Oh, wait, what happened? Oh, gold. Sorry, truck. Didn't mean to ignore you. But this one's going to come back to nothing. We're going to have nothing over here. So let's start skipping. Oh, you know what I could do? I'm gonna delete you, and you. And we're going to do some circuitous do we want to load it in here? Yeah, I think we do. We're gonna skip every 2. And we're gonna have another one of these come over here. Like so. Why are you not running? You're not running because you're full. That is why you're not running. But obviously our grabby hands have something to grab now. Not a whole lot, but hopefully we'll be able to improve on that. Okay, so the second set of grabby hands, we need to have it come all the way over to here to drop off. Yeah. Let's see, we're going to come in right in here. Just so many of the grabby hands coming in here. And return track. It's like so. Okay, and then what I could do, since this one over here forms the quantity as a block, its pads and minimum carry great threshold requirements have been met. Which direction are these running? Oh, you know, it would be wise to add that to gold. One thing I do is this gold that won't be used over here, I could offload it and then move it somewhere to make, you know, gold-based things. Are you skipping? You're not skipping. You need to skip like every 3 or so. How are we doing on crate numbers? Oh, crate numbers aren't doing too bad. All right. Gold looks like it's doing good. Research is probably maxed out by now. Yep, 122,000 on each one of these. Not bad. We got tons of research points. All right, now I want to come up here, and we need to start the process for combining, which is going to require a very large factory, or more than one. So, like iron, we want to refine. We're going to have 8 total smelters coming in. One thing I could do, where's the other? See, there's more coal. Where's the other? There's the other iron right in there. So if we want a, see, that's an iron processing factory. This will be the coal processing factory. Like so. Okay, let's start the process. Now where's the other iron at? Way over here. Going to be a lot of power. A lot of power that we're going to be consuming over here. Now, is this going to work out to where... No, it's not. So if we do that there, that there, that actually works. Like so. And then maybe this one can go here. Oh, so close. That, and then we're going to bring in the other iron over on this side. Trying to give myself lots of space. You know, we could probably boost that up. All right, now these come down. We could probably offload this way. This way. Oh yeah, this one's probably gonna have to do that. And then I can go offload this way. There we go. All of those are hooked up, ready to go. All of these are hooked up, ready to go. Now we just need the processing, which is going to be a hefty amount of logistics here. Since we have so much space, I'm going to give myself some room here. So 1, 2, 3 for this set. And then we're going to want some space. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Basically 1 per mine. That's what I'm going for here. Oh, sorry. You're in the wrong spot. We're going to offset you there. Offset you there. Okay. I mean, alternative. There's a few solutions to this. You could have it crate them up and then grabby hands them over, or I mean, there's a few different ways you can solve the same problem. This just happens to be what I'm doing. Okay. So I'm probably overbuilding this. But in the end, we could move, you know, some of the other iron that we've got coming in. We could probably move it over here and supplement this whole area to be able to process. We got lots of room to process more iron if we want. Okay, first of all is the boxer. And the power is off, so we're not consuming power right now, which is a good thing. Okay, so I'm kind of liking this setup. Do we want to go left or right with this? I'm gonna go right. And remember, we're doing it this way, even though this thing could theoretically support more than one refiner. The problem is the number of boxes, the active crates. We run into that issue, and just as a reminder, we do that pretty fast with these big setups. Okay. And obviously we want to like skip every one on each one of these. I wish there was like a copy paste thing that you could do, like in Factorial. Like copy the settings from one and paste it into the other. Okay, so now it's refiner time. Woo-wee, that's a lot of refiners. Oops. That was inevitable. Now I think every 3 of these is probably going to be enough. So we want to go, oops, we want to go 3 here. 3 here. 3. Oop. 3. Maybe we should do 4 on this one. And then 3 on that one. Okay. That is a lot of iron processing. And in the end, it's all going to be sucked into a system. Let's see. We're going to want... Oh, that is a big... Whoo, that's a big tank. I don't know if we want a tank that big. We want to do this the smart way here. I think what we are going to do... Let's do something like this. And then an intake. Okay. So this is going to be like that, right? And we're going to want a something like this to only grab empty crates. I do like the spacebar copy though. That is nice. If it just copied all the settings, that would be even better. Okay, so we're offloading the empty crates. So if these fill up, if these, you know, if they fill up, we'll be able to not waste any material. That's what I'm trying to avoid. So we want outflow here. So the same dealio over here, we're going to want to these to come back to there and to there. Okay, now the problem, I need actually these to be different. Like that, because these come on, move it. Why aren't you moving? Okay. There we go. There we go. Same over here. And that leaves us just enough space to put a minecart system in there, which is glorious. So we're going to have this here. We're going to have one probably here-ish, and probably one. No, we need some space. Like that. None empty. None empty. None empty. All right. Oh, yep. these. There we go. Now, finally. There. Refined iron in all of its glory. There it is. It's beautiful. Okay, and then we're going to want I'm still short. Look at that. That is an expensive little system right there. I don't know how much money we just burned, but wow. That was an expensive system. How is my gold delivery going? Are we delivering gold? It would tell me this. Yep, we are. We did. We delivered all of the gold that we had. Not in huge, vast amounts, but, you know, look at that. 3-month record, 8,400 kilograms. I'm sure these, yeah, it's pretty good. We're outputting quite a lot of stuff. The grabby hands, we could boost them up even more. 50,000. I think we can manage that. So the grabby hands are super fast now. We have lots of research points. I sort of turned iron research off just by not collecting it. You kind of turn it off just so this fills up and so we can push more and more material through. Okay, now I would love to be able to like copy this and paste it. Like, can I copy? No, I can't copy. Because that would be awesome. Because I need this exact setup for coal. So yeah, this whole thing needs to be duplicated for coal, and then we have a coal, you know, refined coal that we then can combine in even more. I'm not going to hook this up with power yet, just because I don't know if we have enough power for that. But one thing I want to do, since coal is going to be coming from a long ways away over here, we're going to have a giant minecart system. Because the boxes, I mean, moving the boxes, you're moving one at a time. Whereas the minecarts, you're moving 4 per minecart. It's way more throughput. Now, is this the same size? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How about that? It is the same size. I just eyeballed it. And then we'll have a combiner set up maybe over here or something. I'm not 100% sure. Again, you have to have your inputs, your tunnels, for some reason. Your tunnels have to be near other tunnels. I don't know why. But yeah, that'll do it for this episode. I am going to copy this setup down here, build it all again, have the same sort of thing going, and we'll see how much fun we can have with just massive amounts of material. All right, well, again, that's going to do it, and I thank you all for watching, and I will see you next time.